One. Start. Wait. Oh, I'm this thing. I get the key. Daddy, there was a part where I didn't actually know what to do next. It says go that way.
That's a sword.
Oh, I pick up a sword. Now where do I go?
Go down.
Oh, down? But where do I go now?
Go left or right, whichever way you want. There's a bad guy.
Am I...
You killed him, he turned into an X. So now you can go up.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what is this?
It's a maze.
Oh. I wonder where I go. Dead end. Oh, I go left or right? Right?
Yeah.
Because left wasn't. Okay, maybe it's middle?
Well, you've only got 2 more choices.
And what are they?
Left or right.
Left or right?
Mm-hmm.
Left. Ooh, left was right. Left was right. Oh, now I go down, up, up. Oh, freak. Okay, so maybe my direction wasn't right. Maybe I can go this way.
Mm-hmm.
This maze is just getting more and more confusing. The game gets more and more confusing as you go on. Well, I think I'm getting closer. I wonder if someone watching this video may think I am playing a completely different game now. This way? Is this back where I started? Oh, no. Maybe I go up? Ooh, it got thinner. Oh, I wonder if I'm here yet. Okay, this is back where I started. Could I just have skipped by going down, Daddy? I know. Maybe the whole direction was wrong. Maybe I needed to go. I think I'm lost. I don't have many more choices. I don't have many more choices, Dad. We'll see if this way is right. No. So, my next choice. Maybe I'll go this way. Down. Am I going backwards? Yeah, I'm going backwards.
Well, you're doing what I call backtracking.
Okay. So that's where I came from.
You dropped your sword.
I dropped my sword?
Yeah.
Well, why did I drop it?
Did you press the button? Maybe that's how you dropped it. Why don't you go back to that castle that you found and drop the sword in front of the castle, and then go back to the beginning of the game and get your key, and that way you can open the door to the castle.
Ooh.
You gotta go back up to the castle though.
Oh, back up.
Up, yep.
Up. The thumbstick is so hard to control.
Yep.
Now I go.
I think it was up from here.
Yeah. I think it was up too. Oh, and then through the hole. This thumbstick is so hard to control. Yeah, here's
Now drop your sword there.
drop.
Did that work? Yep. Oh, drop it again. Yep, now go down.
Now go
You want to make sure you don't pick it up because you have to go get your key. Now, you see that thing right there? Let's see what that is.
Oh, what? What?
See what this is.
See what this is.
Does that do something if you...
Oh!
what is that?
This guy's strong.
See if you can take that up.
Well, I can take that up. Okay, I'm gonna drop this over here. Ah. I want to pick this up.
The question is, what does that do?
Yeah, that's what the real question is. Maybe I can put it here, drop it.
Can you go inside of it? Can you go through it?
Oh, I think I can. Does that not pick it up?
What happens if you go through it?
This thumbstick is so hard to control.
Oh, you can't go through it?
Freak. Oh, I can go through it.
No. Now go get your key.
I'll go get my key. Where's the key, though?
The key was at the very beginning. You have to go all the way back to the beginning.
Okay. Which way was the beginning, though, Daddy?
Left.
Left.
And then go down the left side.
Down the left side?
That's the wrong way.
Oh, down the left side.
Yep, down the left side.
That's the right. Maybe I should have showed my fingernails before I did that. Okay, left, down, this way, down, that way,
Mm-hmm.
down, walk, down, through here,
And then down.
down,
Yep. Right.
right, oh, right,
And then up.
up,
And into the castle.
into the castle,
And then get your key.
key,
Yep. And then go back to the other castle.
the other castle,
Yep. See if you can remember how to get back there.
let's see, ooh, the snake's gone,
Go left.
the snake's still here.
Yep. Up.
Thank God he's still dead.
And then left.
Okay, I went left.
See, once you start to remember the game, it's not so far. Nope, that's not the right way.
Well, I went
Left.
left.
Mm-hmm.
Then I
Now you
went
go up and you zigzag through.
up,
Nope, the other way, right?
then right,
Yep.
then up, then left.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went up.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went this way. Then I went up. Eh. Eh. Then I went
Right?
this way. Then
Mhm.
I went that way. Then I went that way. Then I believe I went up. I need to stay in the middle. Now up. Everything's.
Uh-oh. It's the wrong key.
It's the wrong key.
Yep, it's got a red X on it. It's the wrong key.
Oh.
Well, try looking for another castle. Go down.
Okay. Down. Down. Maybe there is another.
Yeah, try going left.
Left or right?
Left.
I want to see what's on the right. I don't want people to watch me play the same game the whole time.
Do you want to conclude the video?
No, I don't want people to see me playing the same game the whole time. I want people to see me playing a few different games.
Alright, well my arm's getting tired and this video has been on for 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
So that's the Atari joystick console. I hope you liked it. Please make sure to give the video a like and a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and click and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. Bye!